Hey, Fred Lil here with a vinyl packaging guide with only 3 items that you'll need to ship everything vinyl, whether it be 7-inch, 12-inch, 10-inch, box sets, gatefolds. Just 3 items, no tape, no bubble wrap, no stiffness. Talk about the FEP first. Just to explain the kind of intelligence and the science behind this, I've got some 7-inch vinyl records here. It's actually designed to be, have a bit of room on either side to protect that 7-inch. It can hold up to 3 7-inch EPs. If I load it inside, just sliding that all the way down. If I show you how our hot melt peel and seal works, it's an overhanging release paper to enable easy peel off. You just whip that off. Then, like we recommend with all of our peel and seal products, the kneading of bread action to seal down a flap, just like so. That's all it needs. It wasn't a huge amount of pressure, but you get a nice true seal there, very good seal. But in terms of the unboxing experience, our little herringbone perforation that just sees that nicely open, frustration free. Just to come back to stiffness. Not everyone has a kind of lab testing of materials in their organisation like we do. We're very lucky. But there is a really easy way of just kind of feeling the stiffness between materials. A kind of standard bubble mailer, if I stand that up there and put my 2 fingers either side, yeah, that will crumple very easily. Now if I try and do that with an FEP, so I'm applying more pressure, more pressure, more pressure, more pressure. You might see this finger here is actually slightly denting the envelope. More pressure, more pressure. My face is probably getting quite red now. But yeah, that is pretty much all my strength. But this actually proves my point. There's still a large proportion of people mailing, shipping vinyl using stiffness, either side of, the order, and putting in one of these, industry standard K7 bubble mailers. 30p for this bubble mailer. I'm also buying a stiffener for 10p, but I need 2 of them, one to go either side. So 50 pence. Most people are taking about 2 minutes to pack. There's some good videos on our website that show these being packed in well under 15 seconds in some cases. Our plea to anyone shipping or mailing product to consider sustainable alternatives to bubble wrap and the regular kind of bubble mailers. Almost every single unit ever manufactured doesn't get recycled. Mostly because they can only be recycled if you separate the paper from the plastic. It means that the recycling authorities can't take that gamble that we're all separating waste, and it just gets bundled into the mishmash that they cannot recycle. So whether you choose one of these 3 options and hope that really helps, or just something else more sustainable, we just need to stop using these kind of unsustainable choices. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe, and in the meantime, you're happy.